What's up, party people? My name is Darrel Wilson, and today I have some good news for all of you broke people out there who got no cash. The team over there at Brizy has decided to do a massive giveaway. They are giving out 10 personal licenses, 10 studio licenses, and 2 lucky winners will get lifetimes. Yes, so there is virtually no risk of entering this contest. Now, for those of you who have never used Brizy, now the Brizy page builder is a very fluid builder. You know, it's completely drag and drop. It's very simple to use. It's very similar to Divi and Elementor. It has that fluidity of Divi, but it also has that stability of Elementor. I do like it, and it's simple. You know, you can drag and drop elements, you can change text, just like other various page builders on the market. Now, I think where Brizy stands out the most is their blocks. They have over 250 light and dark scheme blocks, and this is only one kit. They have 2 kits, but their blocks are beautiful and they're nicely designed, and it makes making websites super easy. So how do you guys enter this contest? Well, there is a link below to enter this giveaway. And as promised, they're giving out 10 studio licenses, 10 personal, and 2 lucky winners will get 2 lifetime plans. So that is over $2,000 worth of licenses they are giving away. You know, I think here I gained a little bit of weight. This was a while ago. Maybe it's time for a new picture. Let me know in the comments if I gained weight or not in that picture, if I'm skinny now, or let me know. I need to hear it. But anyways, so you can go ahead and enter by using your email, or entering your email here. And then you have other options where you can like Brizy on Facebook, and this will get you more ways to win. You can join their Facebook community. They have a Facebook group, and they're very helpful. And then you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel. And then you can also join their mailing list, and you can also refer a friend, and that will give you more entries and just more ways to win the licenses. Now, I also do have a tutorial on Brizy. So if you want to go ahead and just kind of spy on it, you want to check it out, see how the builder works, you can go ahead and check out this video to see if you want to go ahead and switch to Brizy. And they recently just introduced 21 new landing templates last month, and 7 of them are free. They do have a lot of freebies for free users, so even if you're not a pro user, they do have tons of stuff. Like, for example, they just created this app slide, and I'll just go ahead and throw it out there. I think Brizy probably has the better designers in the market. I really like their designers. I think that whenever they introduce a template, it's always something practical. Like, I could use this on a website. There are other page builders that have questionable templates, and I'm not gonna throw any names out, but I think you guys get it. Now, also, this contest will be going on for 5 days, and after 5 days, Brizy will announce it on their YouTube channel. They will also go ahead and contact you by email to let you know that you won, and you can claim your license and start using it. And remember, these are no restrictions. So these licenses are exactly like the plans. So if you win a studio package, you can use it for unlimited websites for the whole year. And for those lucky winners for lifetime, you can use it on as many websites as you want. And yeah, you can, build websites all day long and totally for free. So good luck to everyone. I hope you guys win. Let me know in the comments about your experience with Brizy in the comments below. And until then, I will see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take care.